Imagine a bustling city with countless roads and intersections. Now think of the internet as such a city and the roads as links. Just as roads connect various parts of a city, links connect websites across the vast digital landscape. But why is it so crucial to build these connections? Welcome to the intriguing world of link building, a vital cog in the machinery of SEO. Scene script. Link building is the practice of acquiring hyperlinks from other websites to your own. A hyperlink, commonly known as a link, serves as a way for users to navigate between pages on the internet. Search engines like Google use these links to crawl the web. They crawl the links between the individual pages on your website, and they crawl the links between entire websites. Not only do these links help web users navigate the content online, but they also help search engines analyze how pages are related to each other and in what ways. Now, why is link building essential? It's primarily because links are a major ranking factor in search engine algorithms. The more high-quality links pointing to your website, the more credible it appears to search engines, which often translates into higher rankings in search results. This means more visibility for your website, leading to increased organic traffic. But how does one effectively engage in link building? It starts with outreach. Outreach involves contacting other blog owners, journalists, or websites relevant to your niche to request backlinks. It's akin to making new friends in the digital neighborhood. The goal is to create lasting relationships that result in links naturally pointing back to your site due to its value and relevance. Crafting effective outreach emails is crucial. These emails should be personalized, concise, and clear about the value proposition. Why should the recipient care about your content? What benefit does it bring to their audience? Answering these questions in your outreach can significantly increase your chances of gaining a backlink. However, challenges abound. Common hurdles include non-responses, rejections, and links that don't have much SEO value. Overcoming these requires persistence, creativity in your approach, and ongoing analysis to refine your strategies. Speaking of strategies, staying abreast of the latest trends is key. As search engines evolve, so do the methods of effective link building. For instance, the increasing importance of the quality and relevance of linking sites means that it's not just about quantity. You need links that matter, those that are seen as authoritative and trustworthy. In summary, link building is an indispensable part of SEO that involves acquiring hyperlinks from other websites to boost your site's visibility and authority in search engine results. It requires effective outreach, creating compelling communications, and adapting to ongoing changes in search engine algorithms. By mastering these elements, you can enhance your website's online presence and secure long-term success in your SEO endeavors. Remember, in the vast city of the internet, building the right connections can set you on the path to visibility and success. So take these insights, start building your link network, and watch as your digital presence grows.